Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, every week I post the minimum 2 videos regarding that how to face regulatory inspection successfully or how to qualify any regulatory inspection successfully, right? And I also keep on sharing that what should be the thought process so that you can qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly. You know that if you are working in the pharmaceutical industry and if you could not qualify the regulatory inspection, so obviously you will not be able to get success in the business, right? And you will not be able to sell your product to the regulated market or even in any of the market, because the bottom line of any medicine or pharmaceutical industry is that the product must be of the good quality. And not only for this industry but any of the industry, if the quality of the product will not good, so anyways you cannot play long term game in your business or in your industry. So even if you are working in pharmaceutical industry or any of the level you are, and in any of the department you are working, or even you are the founder, so neglecting the knowledge of compliance or neglecting the compliance or quality, you cannot grow in your business or in your job in any of this sector wherever you are. Another thing is that if you are not growing, then you are dying, right? And if you are not growing, then you are moving behind, right? So anyhow, you will have to ensure that you must keep on growing. So what is the meaning of the growth is happens only if in your industry you are exceeding in the quality, you are exceeding in the competence, and you are exceeding from the place wherever you are, right? So in pharmaceutical industry if you are, so the having the knowledge of compliance can help you to grow in your business, can help you to grow in your career, right? So on my channel every week I post the videos or experiences so that you can know more about the compliance and more than only technical or the guidelines. The another thing what I share is about the thought process, that how you should think, that because in guidelines there are many things are given that what the technical requirement is, that but many times, means most of the times or almost, guidelines do not tell that how to do that. Means for every manufacturing company there are different products and different facility, different things are there. So based on the facility, based on the batch sizes you are manufacturing, based on the people, based on the environment conditions, and there are many factors, due to that you will have to implement the guideline in different way, right? So minor changes can be there. So in that way you will have to follow the same guideline in different way. So you have to know the thought process, right? When you know, you will know that how to think, then you will be able to take the decisions very easily whenever the matter comes. You know, when I was at very junior level, and I was on only executive, so I remember the days when that how it was difficult at the starting, that how to take the decisions of the plant compliance, which change control I will have to approve and which I should keep on hold, right? So in that way I worked a lot on myself, and after 24 years working in pharmaceutical industry, now I came to know that what is the thought process of compliance, and on what basis the decision should be taken. You know, let me tell you, as an entrepreneur or as a founder of any manufacturing company, or even if you are doing the job, the long term success is the ultimate solution, right? So if you want to be in the game, if you want to be in the market, so for long term means for permanent success, we cannot say that permanent success for means if you always want to stay successful in your career, so in that way, so the knowledge and of compliance and quality is really going to help you a lot. So this the message I was wanted to give you, that keep watching the videos or messages I am sharing, because it will make you the thought leader in the pharmaceutical industry, and you will know a lot about the compliance, and you will be able to take the decisions very fast, right? You will not have to dependent on others. If you will read the guideline and you will have the thought process, then you can make many decisions very fast, and it will be in line in the growth of your organization, it will be in line in growth of your career. So with this message, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye.